Hello, welcome to SNS channel. Today I'm going to upload a recipe for a very traditional Indian sweet called almond barfi or badam barfi. The way I have made it, it's very quick and easy to make, and in fact the amount of time taken in making the barfi will be less than the time taken for you to go and buy it from the shops. Hope you like my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. The ingredients needed to make the almond or badam barfi are handful of almonds, 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee, 1 cup of almond powder, 75 ml of milk, 5 teaspoons of sugar adjusted as per taste, 1 cup of milk powder, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom and nutmeg powder. Place the almonds on a chopping board. You do not need to soak them. Slice them longitudinally with a knife as shown in the video. This process can be completed a few days earlier if you wish. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Then add the almond powder and mix it well. Add the milk and mix it well. Stir it till the mixture starts appearing to become thicker. Add 5 teaspoons of sugar. If you like it more sweet, you can add more sugar. Mix it all well together. Add milk powder little at a time with stirring as shown in the video. You can take a little mixture at this time and taste it to see if it is sweet enough for you. Otherwise, you can add some more sugar to it. When it starts leaving the pan and all coming together, turn off the flame and add some cardamom and nutmeg powder. Mix it all well together. Spread aluminum foil in a tray and grease it with clarified butter. Transfer the mixture to it and press it down evenly to form a smooth surface. You can take a bowl greased with clarified butter and press it down so that it becomes smooth. Sprinkle the almond flakes evenly over the surface of the barfi. Then press it down with a bowl. This will make the almond flakes stick and not fall off. Then allow it to set in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. After that, cut it into pieces of desired size. Transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy the delicious almond or badam barfi.